Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that the entire planet now has free, unlimited, high-speed internet, all thanks to Mukesh Ambani, the billionaire behind India's telecom revolution. How would this affect the world? Would it lead to global prosperity or digital chaos? Let's plug in and find out. The man who gave India the internet. Mukesh Ambani's company, Jio, transformed India's internet landscape almost overnight. Data went from a luxury to a basic need. Millions who had never been online suddenly flooded YouTube, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Now, imagine if he scaled this up, globally. Infrastructure madness. Giving free internet to 8 billion people isn't like handing out free candy. Cables and satellites, we'd need millions of kilometers of fiber optics, thousands of undersea cables, and a massive satellite network, far bigger than Starlink. Cost, estimated $5 to $10 trillion up front, plus billions annually for maintenance. Energy, global internet usage already consumes 1% of total electricity. Free universal access could double or triple this. The global surge. With free internet, billions of people in Africa, South America, and remote Asia go online for the first time. Education boom, global online courses skyrocket. MIT lectures in Maasai villages. Economic growth, e-commerce, freelancing, and digital services explode. Social media chaos, every small village now has viral influencers. The downside. Data centers overload, the number of data centers would skyrocket, needing massive land, cooling, and power. Digital pollution, an unimaginable surge in memes, cat videos, and conspiracy theories. Cybersecurity nightmare, billions of new users become easy targets for scams and misinformation. The political earthquake. Authoritarian regimes lose their information control. Global protests could spread faster than any virus. But some countries may attempt to block Ambani's network entirely, leading to a new kind of internet Cold War. The space race. Satellite internet competition intensifies between Ambani, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and others. Low Earth orbit becomes crowded with tens of thousands of satellites. Increased risk of Kessler Syndrome, satellites crashing into each other, creating endless debris. Unexpected consequences. Global time zones blur as everyone starts operating on internet time. Universal online education reduces gaps in global IQ and knowledge. Massive shifts in migration patterns as remote work becomes fully globalized. Climate impact of data centers may increase global temperatures by fractions of a degree. Global internet addiction reaches levels never seen before. Ironically, real-life social interactions might decline even more. If Mukesh Ambani gave free internet to the entire world, we'd witness one of the greatest social experiments in human history. Knowledge would spread like wildfire. So would misinformation. Economies would thrive, and chaos would multiply. It would be heaven for some and digital hell for others.